Hi, we're Donnie and Angela from And More Art.
We're celebrating our 12-year anniversary today, and we're gonna do the Kiss Pour again, but hopefully it looks better this time. Happy anniversary to us!
Hey!
I'm gonna heat this sucker up. Okay. We're using our wedding colors, which translates in the resin world as Stone Coat's Coffee Metallic and Turquoise Green by Res. And then we're just using some interference in our whites because it's pretty.
Whole lot of bling it.
By Color Art. And we glittered this love. We'll see if it makes it on the piece or not.
We're gonna do dirty cups, right?
Yes. We're just gonna mix white in between each layer. He's doing the brown, I'm doing the turquoise. And then we're gonna make them kiss. And hopefully it looks good. What'd you do? Did you drip?
I spluttered.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I made a mess.
For our anniversary, I got us these cool t-shirts because this is who we want to be when we grow up.
Alright, so we're gonna kiss.
Pinch mine.
Yeah, I was gonna pinch mine too.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna get the timing right?
No.
They're gonna touch. They're touching. Are we in the center or not?
Oh my god, you're shoving yours into mine.
I know, I'm trying to like make sure we're kissing.
Okay, we're not centered.
Move over a
That
little.
matters.
Come to me.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Okay.
I mean, at least they're staying separated.
Yeah.
That's cute. I think we used too much resin.
I feel like I'm not pouring.
You're pouring.
Oh, there goes.
You might be about gone, but...
Uh-oh.
Whoop, are we done?
Are we?
That was fast.
Alright. Do you want to do the like circle tilts or?
What should we do? What should we
I
put?
feel like we should circle tilt it.
Like,
Yeah. Keep stretching it out. And as I spin myself in a circle. Thank you, train.
choo choo! I don't understand. Could I see again?
I think that's what I did.
Should I just cover the whole thing?
I think so, if you can. I mean, if it doesn't stretch that far, then that's whatever. This is very video game-like, where I'm trying to tilt it, you're not doing what I want you to.
What do you want to do? Do you want to tilt it? You got something in that head of yours.
I don't know. I think we're beyond the circle strategy.
I don't think that would have worked with part.
Oh.
Do we want to put our love all over it?
Whoa. Oh, what's that little chunk there? That little chunky monk.
I don't know. I think it's just a bubble.
It might be.
Do we want the love?
I think it would look neat with it on, but like, man, that's gonna be so tough to get on straight.
Put it on afterwards.
Right, like what if we do it later?
Yeah, we can do that later.
I mean,
Okay.
that doesn't go on the video today, unfortunately, but...
Check out Instagram to see the final.
Yeah.
If Donnie tweaks it some more.
I know. Yeah, I like that.
Cute.
I think that worked out pretty well.
Yeah.
we're going to do an anniversary pour for our anniversary because it's our anniversary.
Yesterday was our anniversary.
Yeah, it's close enough.
We're celebrating our anniversary. I have to be so exact.
I know, you're ridiculous.
I'm not ridiculous. I'm just precise.
We're so natural.
Yes.
Bang, bang, bang.
Make this harder on me.
Bang, bang into the room. This is how we talk.
No, it's not.
This is how we talk.
Like, how about we just do this naturally? Let's just talk to the people.
Okay.
That is not a natural look.
How's it going? This is my natural face.
No, it's not.
From Evan and Caitlin.
No, we're not. We just stole their shirts.
There's a kitty out there.
Oh, okay, this wasn't a good idea.